Hey everyone, Ryan here. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to translate your Shopify store. And I know that you're probably thinking that it sounds like a huge hassle, but with the approach I'm about to show you in this video, it's going to be a total breeze. I'll be walking you through the steps of setting up the translation application, creating an account and selecting the languages, and of course, manual translation and oversight options. So hopefully by the end of this video, you will have everything you need to know about translating your Shopify store into multiple languages. And without much further ado, let's dive right in. And before we kick things off, if you're new to Shopify and don't have an account yet, then feel free to check out the link in our description box down below. Upon creating an account using it, you will be offered to pay only $1 on your first month on any one of these plans that you see on the screen. After that, Shopify will take some time to create your account and set it up, and then you will land on your dashboard that will look something like this. Now, in order to translate our account, we're going to be using an application called Weglot. This is one of the best translation applications that I would recommend. You can obviously use any one that you like, but for this demo, I'm going to be running it up using Weglot. As you can see, it has over 1400 reviews, most of which are positive. And the best part is that it comes in with a free plan available. The free plan would offer one translated language and 2000 translated words. However, if you wanted to upgrade your plan, then you can get a 10-day free trial to test out any other plans that you want, and they would offer you even more languages when desired. Once you've installed the application on your Shopify store, we are ready to start setting it up. After opening Weglot, you will need to create an account to unlock your free 10-day trial. I highly recommend giving it a spin. And if you're already a Weglot user like me, then just go ahead and sign in. After that, you would need to select your languages. So first, choose the original language for your store content. For the vast majority of us, that will be English. And then after that, it's time to pick your destination languages. And these are obviously the languages you want your translated storefront to be available in. So I'm going to add German for this example, but you can throw in as many languages as you want. And if you click on this button right here, then you can see what languages are supported. It is a massive list. I doubt that you won't find the language that you're looking for, but it doesn't hurt to check anyway. And then after that, once you've hit save on those language selections, your entire website instantly becomes multilingual. So go ahead and open your store to check it out, and by default, your sample store here is in English as expected. But of course, we can switch it to German, and just like that, everything from the navigation menus to product descriptions has been automatically translated into German text. And that's thanks to Weglot, because it's using advanced AI translation models to instantly localize all that content for us behind the scenes. Now, to be completely transparent, I would have to admit that as impressive as that AI translator is, it's not going to be 100% perfect every single time. So if you're not fully satisfied with the automatic translations, then no worries, Weglot gives you some powerful tools to take manual control. So we can dive right in ourselves and directly edit any translations that need tweaking or improvement. Whether you want to fix any awkward phrasing or updating outdated slang or anything else, you've got full power to refine every word that you want. But maybe you would rather leave some of the heavy linguistic kind of editing to the professionals. And even then there's no problem. Weglot allows you to bring in certified human translators to go over everything on your store. They will make sure that all of your translations are perfect. Other than that, we can explore some of the other settings and customization options that Weglot gives us for these multilingual stores. So if we head over to the settings area, you can see the full list of languages again. As mentioned, I've already added German, and I can change that if I want to switch it up for French or add more languages depending on the plan. And you will notice that there is a toggle here to make each language listing public or private. So if you wanted to build out one of your translations behind the scenes before launching it, then you could leave it on private for a while. I personally love this total control over what your customers can see, and you can work on things before making them public. And yeah, if you notice those language flags that pop up in the store's footer, that's how we can let the customers switch between languages with just one click. But even those, we can totally customize how that selector looks if we want. So by clicking manage over here, we can get into an interface for adjusting the language selector's appearance. So if you want those flags to show language names instead, then you can change that easily within the settings. And you can even upload your own custom flags or icons if you're not liking these default options. And then there are styles choices like displaying languages in a drop-down menu versus separate buttons. There are different layout modes to pick from as well, like rectangles, circles, or any different shapes that you want in order to match your brand. However you customize this, the goal is to make that language switching experience as seamless and intuitive as possible for your shoppers. And there you have it, that will be a wrap on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you have everything you need to know about translating your Shopify store into multiple languages using Wigla. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.